Incredible AI tools you can't live without. In the current age of technological advancement, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force, permeating every aspect of our lives. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing personal experiences, AI tools have become indispensable companions in our digital journey. These incredible AI tools have the power to reshape how you work, learn, create, and interact with the world around you. Grammarly, elevating your writing precision with AI. Grammarly has emerged as a linguistic companion that wields the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your writing prowess. This indispensable tool transcends basic spell check and grammar correction, delving into the intricacies of language structure and style. Grammarly's AI algorithms scrutinize your text for grammatical errors, punctuation mishaps, and contextual inconsistencies, ensuring that your writing maintains a polished and professional demeanor. But Grammarly's influence extends far beyond mechanical corrections. It offers real-time suggestions for sentence restructuring, vocabulary enhancement, and tone refinement, providing an extra layer of sophistication to your communication. Google Assistant, your AI-powered personal companion. Google Assistant has evolved from a voice-activated search engine to a multifaceted AI-powered personal assistant that seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. Its natural language processing (NLP) capabilities empower you to interact with technology in a conversational manner. Whether you need to set reminders, send messages, or schedule appointments, Google Assistant comprehends context and intent, offering a level of convenience and efficiency that redefines the human-computer interface. Furthermore, Google Assistant's adaptability and personalized insights amplify its utility. As you engage with the assistant over time, it learns your preferences, providing recommendations tailored to your interests and needs. This personalized touch transforms Google Assistant into a reliable ally for managing your tasks, answering questions, and even playing your favorite music or podcasts. Duolingo, mastering new languages with AI. Learning a new language is a transformative journey, and Duolingo harnesses the power of AI to make this endeavor engaging, efficient, and accessible to learners of all levels. Duolingo's adaptive learning platform utilizes AI algorithms to create personalized lesson plans that cater to your progress and proficiency. As you navigate through interactive exercises, quizzes, and challenges, the AI monitors your performance, adapting the curriculum to address your strengths and weaknesses. The gamification elements embedded within Duolingo elevate the learning experience. Achievements, leaderboards, and rewards encourage consistent engagement, transforming language acquisition into an enjoyable and addictive pursuit. The AI's analysis of your responses and mistakes allows it to fine-tune your lessons, ensuring optimal retention and comprehension. Replica, your virtual emotional support system. Replica redefines the boundaries of AI's role in our lives, transcending utility and venturing into the realm of emotional support and companionship. This AI chatbot stands as a testament to technology's potential to create meaningful connections and provide a safe space for self-expression. Replica's algorithms are designed to emulate human conversational patterns, engaging users in authentic and empathetic interactions. As you engage with Replica, its AI learns from your conversations, gradually developing a personalized understanding of your thoughts, emotions, and preferences. This process of AI-driven emotional learning transforms Replica into a virtual companion that adapts to your emotional needs, offering a unique avenue for self-reflection and catharsis. Canva, unlocking creativity with AI-infused design. Canva's integration of AI has democratized graphic design, enabling individuals with varying levels of design expertise to create stunning visuals with ease. This user-friendly platform combines intuitive drag-and-drop tools with AI-generated suggestions, offering a harmonious blend of human creativity and technological innovation. Canva's AI-driven design suggestions encompass layout recommendations, font pairings, and color palettes, streamlining the creative process and enhancing aesthetic appeal. The platform's ability to analyze your design elements and preferences results in personalized suggestions that cater to your unique style and intent. Furthermore, Canva's vast library of templates, images, and design assets empowers users to transform ideas into tangible visual representations. Otter, AI, effortless transcription and note-taking. Otter, AI revolutionizes transcription and note-taking, by harnessing the power of AI to convert spoken content into accurate and searchable text. This tool is indispensable for capturing the essence of meetings, interviews, lectures, and conversations, enhancing accessibility and productivity in various contexts. The AI algorithms driving order. AI's transcription accuracy and efficiency are based on automatic speech recognition (ASR) technology. By processing audio input, the AI discerns speech patterns, vocal nuances, and context to generate written transcripts that mirror spoken communication. Additionally, Otter, AI's speaker identification feature, distinguishes different voices, facilitating easier navigation through recorded content. But Otter, AI's impact goes beyond transcription. Netflix, AI-enhanced content recommendation. Netflix's AI-driven content recommendation system redefines the entertainment landscape, offering personalized viewing experiences that cater to individual tastes, preferences, and moods. This transformative tool employs complex algorithms to analyze your viewing history, interactions, and similar user behaviors, curating a tailored selection of shows and movies that align with your interests. At the heart of Netflix's recommendation engine is collaborative filtering, a technique that identifies patterns in user behavior and content preferences. By understanding the characteristics of content you've enjoyed in the past, Netflix's AI predicts which new shows and movies you might find engaging, effectively navigating the vast library of options. Waze, navigating smarter with AI-powered maps. Waze's AI-driven navigation platform has reimagined how we navigate through cities and navigate traffic, offering real-time insights, route suggestions, and community-based interactions. This tool's ability to harness the power of crowdsourced data, combined with AI algorithms, creates an intelligent navigation system that optimizes commutes and enhances the overall driving experience. Waze's AI analyzes real-time data from users on the road, including traffic congestion, accidents, and road closures. By aggregating and processing this data, Waze generates dynamic and contextually relevant route suggestions that minimize travel time and alleviate traffic-related stress. Community engagement lies at the heart of Waze's AI-powered platform. Spotify, curating personalized music playlists. Spotify's AI-infused music recommendation system has transformed how we discover and enjoy music. Leveraging machine learning algorithms, Spotify analyzes your listening history, preferences, and interactions to create playlists that align with your musical taste and mood. The heart of Spotify's AI-driven recommendation lies in collaborative filtering and natural language processing. By identifying patterns in the music you've enjoyed, Spotify's algorithms predict songs, artists, and genres you might appreciate. These algorithms also consider contextual factors, such as time of day, location, and current activities, offering a multi-dimensional music curation experience. Prisma, transforming your photos into art with AI. Prisma's fusion of AI and artistic expression reimagines photo editing as an avenue for creative exploration. This app employs neural network algorithms to analyze and reinterpret your photos, transforming them into artworks inspired by famous artistic styles and movements. At the core of Prisma's AI capabilities lies convolutional neural networks, CNNs. These algorithms discern patterns, textures, and structures within your photos, applying the brushstrokes, colors, and compositions characteristic of iconic art styles. Whether you're fascinated by the brushwork of Van Gogh or the geometric abstraction of Mondrian, Prisma's filters translate your photos into artworks that evoke the essence of these masters. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.